Hey Jason, this is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I'm shooting this short custom video for you. Uh, Basically, I want to show you some ways how you can get a lot more customers online, also beat out your local competition, and just grow your overall online presence for your website and your business. And I do these videos because I feel like it really shows you that I know what I'm talking about. First of all, separates me from these other marketers, and I also like to educate you on exactly the things that need to be done in detail, which are specific to your website. And hopefully you like the video and you reach out to me, and I'll definitely love to talk to you and see what we can do. But for now, I just want to shoot this 5-minute video for you, which is going to explain three things: content, citations, and backlinks. First, I'll start with content. So you see we're on your homepage. Google loves to see content. They want to see at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, which are keyword rich. So whatever keywords you're targeting should be inside the content, and you want to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage. That's going to set you apart way above your competition and start gaining traction for your website and start getting you leads in the door. Secondly, I want to talk about citations. I pulled up this quick search. Any location is going to pull up a pretty similar search. So let me just show you how a result looks like, and let me explain what a citation is. So a citation is any place on the web where you can put your business information, which will be your name, address, and phone number. So anywhere you can put that is going to count as one citation. So that could be Angie's List, that could be Home Advisor, Yelp, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Facebook, and tons more out there where you should be placing your business information. The more you have, the better for your business, the better for your visibility, and more authority in your space. Now, a basic Google search results looks like this. The first section right here is called the Google Guaranteed section. This is a verification that a Google does for a business, and then businesses pay to be on this top spot. Second, we have the traditional Google ads, which I'm sure you know about. This is also a paid service. Thirdly, we go on to the Google My Business, also known as the Google Map Pack. This is definitely a great place for any business to be on because it allows customers to see all relevant information right there. And you can put your phone number here, one click, and you can get a lot of calls, which turn into leads, which turn into customers. After that, we go on to the organic section. This is how companies and websites beat out everybody else and make it to the first page of Google. Because statistics show that 95% of the people stay on the first page and click on one of the websites and do business with them. Nobody's going to the second or third page. Now, your website's not really anywhere close to the first page, so you definitely want to make sure you're ranking there and you're ranking inside the Google Map Pack as well. Let me show you the third thing I want to talk about, which will be backlinks. I use this tool called Ahrefs. It's a very great tool. It's a subscription service I pay for every single month, but it gives me a lot of information which I can assess the performance of any website. So a backlink is basically any website pointing to your website, basically driving traffic to you. So the more backlinks you have and referring domains you have, the better for you and the better it looks in the eyes of Google, and they rank you higher than others. Right now you have 22 backlinks coming in from 5 referring domains. It looks like you're targeting 3 keywords, but right now you have 0 traffic to your website. Now, to compare this to another website, let me show you. In the area, this is what their performance looks like. It's a big difference. This is an active working website. Right now they have 381 backlinks coming in from 47 referring domains. They're hitting 414 keywords, and they're getting about 600 people visiting their website every single month. This is the kind of numbers you want to be hitting, and this is where you're at right now. So basically there's a lot of room for growth, and you can even go above and beyond the other guys and get even more. To me, the whole idea of a website or purpose is to be an extension for your company and be working for you. So you want to make sure it's set up correctly. You have the correct, basically optimize it to make it a sales website. So people click on it, people call you, your phone's always ringing, and you're getting customers every single month. That should be the purpose of the website. It needs to be optimized. You need to put content on there. And I told you I'll try to keep the video 5 minutes. So I hope you found this information to be useful. Like I said, if you want to hear more, give me a call. I'd love to talk to you. Thanks a lot, Jason. You have a great day.